guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time since I've been in front of the camera here, so I thought it would be a nice change of pace. And today I'm going to show you why you should add microcurrent to your skincare routine. I'm always looking for ways to help my skin age more gracefully, but Botox has always been on my no-go list. I would never consider it, and I just think that there's so many benefits to Botox for other purposes other than doing a facelift and helping with anti-aging. Instead, what I like to do is research about methods and tools that have no potential side effects, and that's where Nuovaluce comes in. Nuovaluce is an anti-aging device with microcurrent and light therapy technology. I had heard about microcurrent in the past and was very curious, but never really knew how it worked or what the benefits were. So when Nuovaluce asked me if I wanted to try their device, I was very excited. This is the device, and it comes with interchangeable heads. So this is the microcurrent and this is the light therapy, and all you do is switch it really easily to change it depending on the therapy that you want to do. It is cordless and rechargeable, and it comes with its little cord when you need to charge it, and the battery lasts a long time. I have been using it for well over a month and I still haven't charged it yet. Our bodies generate their own electrical current, and microcurrent devices are meant to mimic these currents. As we age, muscles tend to sag and weaken, so the microcurrent device helps tighten and lift those muscles. It is essentially a workout for your face. It helps diminish fine lines and wrinkles. It helps stimulate production of collagen and elastin. It improves pigmentation, tightens enlarged pores, and gives you a natural looking facelift. And aside from all these incredible benefits, it also helps with product penetration on the skin. So whatever products you use after the treatment will be driven deeper into the skin. So think about all those hydrating serums, oils, and moisturizers working even better than before. Microcurrents are virtually painless. You only feel a little shock, but it's not too painful. There's also no recovery time, and some people can see results even after one treatment. On this device, there are several levels, and you start with the less intense and you work your way from there. There are no real side effects, but you cannot use it while you're pregnant, or if you suffer from any illnesses like cancer, or you have any implanted devices, or you have heart conditions. Okay, so first I'm going to use my cleanser, and this is the one that I'm currently using. I like to cleanse my skin for at least a minute. Most of the times I use my facial brush. Okay, now I dry my skin, and you're not supposed to use any serums or anything, any products before the microcurrent, but you do everything after. If you have super dry skin, you can use an aloe vera gel so that the device can slide easy, but I haven't had any problems, so I just use it directly. Okay, so now I'm going to use that device, and you turn it on like so, and then it turns this little light on, so you know that it's on, but you have to click on here if you wanted to start like doing the actual microcurrents. And this is the level where you would start, but I'm actually working already on the second level, so I'm gonna go the extra one. The device will turn off automatically after 10 minutes, so that way you know you're not overdoing it. So that's very convenient, and this is just how I like to do it. The buttons need to be facing down. You just press it and then lift. And right now I feel a little bit of like tiny chocks, but it's nothing like super painful. You just feel it. Okay, so now this one's off. What I do is just wipe it. Oh, turn it on again. Wipe it and then put it back in its little case that it comes with so that it doesn't get messed up or anything. Now it's time for the rest of my skincare. First thing is gonna be my toner. And I like to overdo it a little bit. Okay, so now I am going in with my oils, and I'm using these two right now, and everything's gonna be linked down below too. What I have found using the microcurrent device, the Nuovaluce, is that my muscles on my face do feel much tighter. So like my cheeks are not as bouncy as they were before, and I'm noticing like my under eyes are not as pronounced anymore. It doesn't get as puffy, and it's really helping with my fine lines. So those are all big pluses. Plus, I am finding that these lines that, everyone has, these nasolabial creases or whatever you want to call them, they're less pronounced, and I almost feel like this part has like sunken a little bit. So it does feel like I have a slight facelift, and I've noticed it because usually I'm looking at my face in the mirror or in the camera and it does look different. And then I'm gonna use my eye cream, and I like this one. I have a bunch that I like, but this one I wanted to use today. Now my final thing, it'll be some lip therapy, and this is a Rapid Restore lip balm. So I'll just do that real quick, and I'll be ready to go. So that's it. If I'm going to sleep, I'll put my lash and brow serum on, but if I'm not, this is it, and then I'll move on to makeup. Thank you so much for watching. Please let me know if you liked the video. If you want to try the Nuovaluce device, I'm gonna link it below as well. And I think we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.